Birds fly gracefully through the sky, soaring among the clouds. Many birds build intricate nests using twigs, leaves, and feathers. Female birds lay eggs in their nests, carefully incubating them until they hatch. Some bird species migrate to warmer regions during the winter months. It's delightful to feed the birds in the park and watch them enjoy their meal. Fish swim effortlessly in the clear waters of the lake, gliding through the waves. Anglers often spend hours trying to catch fish for sport or as a means of sustenance.